On today's menu, a very delicious dessert that's extremely easy to make. A delightful blueberry and cherry crumble. Lei Ho Ma, that's us going in Cantonese. Welcome to Yeung Man Cooking, I'm Yeung. Join me in this episode as we make one of my favorite desserts that just happens to be so simple to make. Of course, as always, if you enjoyed today's recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Let's begin. Preheat the oven to 350. Grease the inside of a 10 by 6.5 baking dish with some avocado oil. To a mixing bowl, add 2 cups of frozen blueberries, 2 cups of frozen sweet cherries. You can use tart cherries if you like for a little less sweetness, it's completely up to you. 1.5 tablespoons of potato starch, ½ cup cane sugar. Mix to combine. Pour the berries into the baking dish and spread it out. Into a new mixing bowl, add 3/4 cups of rolled oats, about 85 grams, 3/4 cups or 115 grams of all-purpose flour, ½ cup or 110 grams of brown sugar, pinch of salt. Give it a quick mix to combine. By the way, this is one of the recipes found in the 4th cookbook, Dining In with Will. For more information on to grab your copy, there's a digital or print version available over on the web shop in the link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. Alright, this is the fun part. Add in ½ cup or 100 grams of cold, cubed plant-based butter. Use your hands to press and mix together until a crumble forms. It's important to note that some plant-based butter brands may give you a different texture crumble. My crumble today, for instance, came out more like clusters, but the end result will still be golden brown and crispy. Bake in the oven for 50 minutes to 1 hour. Check for a golden brown crumble, and the fruit should be about a semi-thick syrup texture. Allow the crumble to cool for about 10 to 15 minutes, then serve with your favorite plant-based ice cream. In this episode, I'm using a plant-based ice cream from Haagen-Dazs. You can now serve up this delicious dessert with absolute confidence. That looks so tempting. The ice cream, the crumble, and the fruit is just a match made in heaven. It's visually just so alluring, and you can really smell the sweetness from the crumble and the fruits. First off, that crumble has that beautiful golden brown, crispy texture, which of course contrasts so well with that creaminess and the richness of the ice cream. There's a slight savoriness in the crumble as well as a bit of a caramelly flavor from the brown sugar. The blueberries and cherries are just wrapped up in this delicious, sweet and fruity syrup. And the potato starch just helps give it that extra bit of glossiness and almost like a jam texture. I love using a berry mix when making this crumble, as I find it gives it a much more bold and robust fruity flavor. This is definitely one of those desserts that's uncomplicated to make and looks so casual and inviting. And of course, it's absolutely delicious. Like I always say, it's simple, delicious recipes like this that makes it so much fun and exciting to cook and dine in at home. If you love easy, delicious recipes like me, definitely check out or pick up your copy of one of the 4 Yeung Man Cooking cookbooks. There is a print or digital version available in the link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. Of course, as always, if you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed with that notification bell clicked, be sure to do so that we can cook together again in the next episode.